Today I'm gonna show you this product because since I have nothing to do, yeah. Welcome to the Manases show. And as you can tell, I got a haircut again. Well, I got my haircut since Tuesday, and I look pretty good, to be honest. But anyways, regardless, today I'm gonna do nothing but to show you this. I got a new video camera. Yeah. I got it from Target since yesterday. I'm gonna show you the screen in just a moment. Put it right here. And yeah. Because this portion of today's episode is brought to you by Heyday. Not a sponsor. Of course it's not a sponsor, folks. I don't know why. Whatever. Anyways, I'm gonna show you this picture right now, and you won't believe your eyes. Yeah, let's get started. Anyways, let's open up. Huh? Huh? Picture this. Picture this. So here's the camera itself. And look, it says Heyday. Heyday. Whatever. Here we have the camera. Or should I say the camcorder? We have that covered lens. What is this? And here's the screen itself. Oh. Anyways, I have inserted the SD card with a long stroke of time this time. Let's see what it looks like. We have the time. The same time. Just like this. And we have the SD icon. Almost kind of reminds me of the Crayola camcorder thing. And the same icon. Yeah, it's the same icon like this and this. And also, I don't think it's from the card, it's from something else. And oh, I forgot about the battery icon. Yeah. We have the zoom in and out. We have the annoying beep for some reason. Good thing I turned off. And recording. And look, It has that record dot. Or something like that. And some features that they didn't even include from that Vintar is the pause. You can pause the video and something unexpected happens. The numbers had turned red for some reason. When you unpause it, they go back to record it. Sheesh. That dot looks kind of clear for some reason. Almost has the same like this, for example. I'm not sure, but it is. Before I take a look at the references, let's see the playback. Ah, that was pointless. I better take a look at this instead. I clearly have no idea why I have that thing. It looks pretty ugly. I think I prefer this thing instead. Yeah, that was my tested recording. Got to delete this because that one is boring. Anyways, back to video mode. Yeah, you can look. You can tap on the playback with the up arrow. And anyways, as I was saying, this. kind of fitting, I guess. Despite the fact the screen is reversed for some reason. And the SD icon. Oh well. Yeah, that was weird. I don't know why I did that. Anyways, back to video again. Switching to camera mode, which you can take pictures with. And an audio for some reason. I have no idea why I included that. 9 hours, 99 hours, and jeez, I could do a podcast all day. One moment. Ever since I recorded that, let's take a listen.
Hi, welcome to the Manases show. Today's podcast
Okay, that didn't make a cut. I've never seen this icon before. Imagine putting this mode into... whatever, I'm moving on. Yeah, whatever, I'm just gonna... So, yeah. This option. Well, oh, you could flip this thing around to see me. Oh well, that was something. Well, anyways, let's take a look at some sort of reference to this. Let's check out the difference. Well, it has the same feature but different. Also has the same battery. Oh, this thing needs charge. And it's here, bottom, and the SD top, the time thingy. VGA as usual. The same icon. The photo mode is a little different. Yeesh, that's a lot of size. Same icon. Yeesh. It didn't include this, so. Oh god. Kind of makes a resemblance. Now the video test. And the playback. Really different. I don't know. And ooh, same blue screen. That makes more references to that. Oh. This does have that, but this doesn't have that, but it has that white instead. See? Okay. And that's that. Also, I don't think this is from the car for some odd reason, but it has that thing just like this. But yeah. Hopefully Vivitar can make the reference to this. And it says Vivitar. Or maybe this. Whatever. And that's that. Phew. Well, what a show. It's like they have references to the other cameras. Well, probably, but still. It's almost like the cousin to the regular camcorder. Well, not really, whatever. But, I hope you enjoyed the differences. Excuse me. So, yeah. I guess I have nothing to say. Well, I guess that's about it for today's episode of the Manases Show. Thanks for joining today. I hope you liked that thing I showed you. Yeah. Anyways, I guess it'll be a good time to spin the wheel of stuff to close out the episode. So yeah. Okay. Well, nobody submitted some of the wheel suggestion, so yeah. Let's give it a spin. What is the wheel gonna land on? Play baseball. Here comes the pitch. Swing and a miss. I wonder it. Oh man. Looks delicious. What? Timmy, what are you doing? Oh, I'm blah, 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 blah. No!